Hi friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday here and in this filming I would like to show you how I was able to get this house. Yes, this is an ankle lacer project, but I'm not going to be making the upper layer right in here. I will be showing you just how to work on so this is not a pre-model sew. This sew was arranged from A to Z. It was arranged step by step, and come with me right now as I show you the step-by-step assembling of this project. we're done with this, so the last thing we're going to be doing is just to come in here and clip it all together. Clipping all together, you have to be conscious of all the gum stripes. You have to be conscious of that. And then you walk around the edge, knowing that I point in there, I was able to mark where the gum is going to get to, and I marking that, and at the same time I'm going to walk around the edges. So now set, and I'll come in here to pull it this way. Okay, I've pulled it this way, and we have this all set as these two being set. Fix it all around in there. It's so easy. You can do that on your own. I try to pressure it down, pressure it down, pressure it down, pressure it down. So I pick my hammer now to mount pressure on it. So it's as easy as this. Working on your soul is quite easy. Hope you like it. I like it. So try it. It's quite easy, and then hope you like what you've seen. I like it to like it, share it, and click on the notification bell for you to be notified when we have awesome video like this on our platform. Don't forget, I'm Sunday Oyewale, and look forward to having you in my workshop, Lagos, Nigeria. And for online, if you can make it to our workshop for online, you go to www.schoolofshoemaking.com. That's where you can take online course on this project. You want to have a course, want to take a course on this particular project, is available on our website, schoolofshoemaking.com. I look forward to have you on a subsequent upload on this platform.